VTH Station Port Control. Tanker Blue Horizon. This is Port Harbor VTS. This is Port Harbor VTS. Visibility. Reported less than 0.5 nautical miles. Confirm your position and intentions.
Port Harbor VTS, this is Blue Horizon, currently at position 40 degree 42, 3 north decimal, 74 degree 00.5 west, inbound to proceed to Anchorage area, Bravo.
VTH Station. Blue Horizon Port Harbor VTS. Roger, Roger. Maintain present course and reduce speed to 6 knots due to limited visibility. Traffic advisory. Cargo vessel start cargo Voyager outbound on reciprocal course 2 nautical miles ahead. Advise when in visual or radar contact.
Port Harbor VTS, Blue Horizon, Wilco, reducing speed to 6 knots, will report when contact made with Star Voyager.
VTH Station. Blue Horizon Port Harbor VTS Monitor. VHF Channel 13 for vessel to vessel. Coordination. Maintain safe speed and navigation lights per call rigs. Report when entering Anchorage Bravo.
Wilco, Port Harbor VTS, monitoring channel 13 and will report accordingly. Blue Horizon, out.